Hi guys, it's been a pretty long time since I recorded, so for that I do apologize. I've just been really busy in life and I just really haven't had any free time, nor have I really known what to post. So I am back for another swimsuit haul. If you couldn't tell by the title, I'll do like a minute of updates. So I'm no longer in Columbus. I'm now in Bowling Green for school. I have my apartment up here that I've been at since August, I think. I got a cat. His name's Gumbo. He's the light of my life, other than Brooke, obviously. So let's see, what are some updates? I got some lip filler. That was fun. I wanted it for a while and I said fuck it, got some. I dyed my hair a little bit darker. I'm now darker, like brunette, I guess. It's more of like a black, let's be real. It's like brown, like the darkest brown you can get, and then this is black, and I'm like right in the middle. I have about 20 minutes until the sun sets, so the minute the sun sets, the lighting is no longer good. So, swimsuit haul. That's what you guys are all here for. Let's start. I went out one time with Brooke wearing this brown dress that was hers, and I got maybe 2 compliments that night, and they went straight to my head, like straight to my head. So I was like, you know what? Brown is my color. That is what I'm going to continue to tell myself. So brown is now my color. I happened to get this brown swimsuit, which is a one-piece, open cut stomach. It's a one shoulder, and it's really high cut, which I think is fun. I don't really have that many high cut. I feel like I have like high waisted, but not necessarily high cut. So I was like, this will be fun. And then it's a full thong. Are we surprised? No. Probably would never wear this like a family function event. It's probably more of like a college swim party, like summer pool party thing. Yeah, I'd give this one like a 8 out of 10. Love the color. I think it looks good on me. Next, I got this hot pink swimsuit, which is kind of like a bandeau top. And then it kind of looks like a sports bra, honestly. And then the bottoms are just some high cut swim. Now, the only issue I have with this one, I love the color, I love everything about it, but the issue I have with it is I have no boobs. And so, like, when I wear this, it's not being filled in this. And you can't adjust it, obviously. And so, the only issue I would have with this is just that I can't like do anything about the top, but I love the color and I love the bottom, so if I can like mismatch with these, I will. Also got that exact same swimsuit in brown, of course, right? So again, love the color, love like the bottoms, love the look of it. Just wish either I filled the top in more or the top was closer to my skin. One or the other, I don't know. Next, we have this black top or black swimsuit that I actually already had. I had it in an extra small though, and I've gained a little bit of weight. And so I am now a small again. And so the top no longer really like fit me, so I got like a new top for it. And then I lost the bottoms in Florida over spring break last year, 2 years ago. Just needed new bottoms anyway. So I already have this outfit, or this swimsuit. I already know I love it. 10 out of 10. Easy. Next, this one. Another like bandeau top. Neon. I love neon. I think everyone looks good in neon. I think even the pale, like the palest of the pale girls look awesome in neon. So highly recommend this. Again, the nice one about this is they have like straps that you can like tighten and loosen, which is what I need, because these are tightened as much as they can go to fulfill. But I think even then they still look like they're like they should, like there's more room, and I just don't got that fulfilling part. And then the bottoms are like a blue, which I think is fun, and I think they look good together. But I do kind of wish it was like a full neon, but I get like the mismatch look, which is in right now. So I'll give this one like a 6 or 7 out of 10. The last one. I wasn't going to show this last one because I honestly wasn't really a fan of it. But the top is like a basic, you know, bikini top, which I just don't feel like I look good in because I literally have nothing up top. And the bottom is fully, like, it's a straight ass thong. And I wasn't going to show this like at all. I wasn't gonna wear it. I was honestly just gonna like send it back and be like fuck it, but I wore this in front of this one guy I was talking to, and he was like, oh my god, you look so good, like that's my favorite one. I was like, of course it is, Anthony, thank you. And so I said fuck it, and I put it in the video anyway. And that is the video. Those are the swimsuits. If you have any suggestions, any comments, any questions, put them in the comments. I will be answering them. I feel like I'm usually good about getting back to you guys if you guys have any questions. I will probably not be making another one until another 3 months from now again, when I'm actually motivated to, or I actually have like some content that I think would be interesting that you guys would even care about. You can DM me, you can comment, you can do whatever you want. If you want any feedback from me, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!